Hi friends, this is Lokesh Babu. Welcome to my channel. Today my topic is alligation and mixture. Alligation and mixture is very important concept. In all competitive exams, we can expect one or two questions compulsory in all exams. Let us solve the definition and some basic problems in today's lecture. The definition of alligation. Alligation meaning is it's a rule. It is a rule that enables us to find the ratio in which two or more ingredients at the given price must be mixed to produce a mixture of desired price. It means alligation is nothing but it is a mixing. Alligation meaning is mixing, and it means it is a rule to find the ratio in which the two or more ingredients at a given price mixed to produce a desired price. Let us see. There are a type 1 fruits and type 2 fruits are there. Let us suppose apples of type 1 and apples of type 2 are there. Type 2 means type 1 means, let us suppose this is 20 rupees per kg. The cost of apple of type 1 is 20 rupees per kg, and the cost of apples of type 2 are 60 kgs. Then if we mix these two, then you will get your desired price, that is called mean price. That is the mean price, right? Now this is, see here, 20 rupees is cheap cost, therefore I can say this is the cost price of cheaper quantity. Cost price of cheaper quantity. Cost price of the cheaper quantity. So I can denote this with C, right? And 60 rupees is costly, therefore I can write this is cost price of dearer quantity, right? Dearer quantity. So I can denote this is with D, right? Okay, this is the cheap cost, therefore I can write cost price of cheaper quantity. This is, I can denote by C. And this is costly, therefore it means this is the dearer. Costly means dearer, therefore I can take this is cost price of dearer quantity as D. Now if I mix these two, then I will get the mean price is M. If I want to find the ratio of the two ingredients, these are the ingredients, ratio of the two ingredients, in which ratio I have to mix these two, then to find this I can take this is x equal to, here either D, this is D minus M, x equal to D minus M, and here y is there, y equal to M minus C. Now if I find the ratio of these two ingredients, it means it is a rule to find the ratio in which the two or more ingredients of the given price must be mixed to produce a new price. So x by y equal to here D minus M by M minus C. So this is the rule of alligation. This is called rule of alligation, right? So by using this rule, we can find in which ratio the two quantities should be mixed to produce the desired quantity, desired products, right? And this is the first formula. And second one, for example, if suppose a box is there or a can is there, in that let us suppose there are x units of quantity, of liquid is there in this. Let us suppose x units of liquid is there in this, and if we remove y units of liquid from this container, and if you add the same amount of water, to this container. Yes, what I am doing, let there are x units of liquid in a container, and remove y units of liquid from this container and add the same amount of water to this container, and I am repeating this process 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 times, so on. So this means these are operations. So after n number of operations, then the quantity of pure liquid, is formula x into 1 minus y by x whole power n. This is the formula for quantity of pure liquid, right? So by using this we can solve some basic problems, right? See, the first problem is here, how much water be added, to 60 liters of milk at 1.5 liters for 1.5 liters for rupees 20, so as to have a mixture worth rupees 10 2/3 a liter. See here, let us solve a problem. How much water be added to 60 liters of milk at 1.5 liters for rupees 20, so as to have a mixture worth rupees 10 2/3 a liter. See here is given 60 liters of water. There is a container is there. In that 60 liters of milk is there. So now how much water should be add to this 60 liters of milk at 1.5 liters cost is 20 rupees, such that the mixture will gives a mean price 10 2/3. Now here cheaper quantity. What is cheaper quantity in this? Cheaper quantity C equal to water, right? Cheaper quantity is water. So cost price is 0 rupees, right? And what is the dearer quantity? D equal to milk. How much cost this is? Milk cost is 1.5 liter cost is 20 rupees. It means if 1.5 liter milk cost is 20 rupees, it means 3/2 liters of milk cost is 20 rupees, then 1 liter cost equal to 20 divided by 3/2, 3 into 2, that is 40 by 3 rupees is the cost of 1 liter, right? Therefore, cost of this deeper cut milk cost is here 40 by 3 rupees. If I mix these two, then the mean price, what the required mean price? Required mean price is 10 3 by 2 means 32 by 3 rupees is the mean price. Then according to formula, x equal to d minus m, that equal to 40 by 3 minus 32 by 3, that equal to 8 by 3. Next, y equal to m minus c, that equal to 32 by 3 minus 0, 32 by 3. Now I want the ratio of the two quantities x by y. I want water quantity. So x by y equal to here 8 by 3 by 32 by 3. This equal to 8 is to 32, that equal to 1 is to 4. It means x is water. Water and milk ratio of water and milk is 1 is to 4. So it means for 4 liters of milk we should add 1 liter of water. So now for 60 liters how much water needed? So water added to 60 liters of milk equal to 1 by 4 into 60, that equal to 15 liters. So 15 liters of water you need to add to the 60 liters of water, such that you will get the mean price. If you add 15 liters of water to 60 liters of milk, such that you will get the mean price is 32 by 3 rupees. Okay. Now let's solve one more problem. Second problem. In what ratio must a grocer mix two varieties pulse costing is 15 and rupees 20 per kg respectively, so as to get a mixture of worth 1650 rupees per kg. Welcome back to my channel. See, the second problem. In what ratio must a grocer mix two varieties of pulses costing rupees 15 and 20 rupees respectively, so as to get a mixture of worth 16 rupees 50 paisa per kg? See this problem. There are a grocer, two varieties are there. So type 1 pulse. Type 1 pulse cost is 15 rupees and type 2 pulses cost is 20 rupees. So this is cheaper quantity, so I can take C. This is dearer quantity, therefore I can take D. And you know, by mixing these two we'll get mean price, and here x equal to D minus M. So that mean price is already is given, so that you should get the mean price is 16 rupees 50 paisa. So x is D minus M, so 20 minus 16 rupees 50 paisa, therefore 3.50, and y equal to M minus C, that is 16 rupees 50 paisa minus 15 rupees, it means 1.5 rupees, 1 rupees 50 paisa. Therefore the ratio in which the two quantities should be x by y equal to 3 rupees 50 paisa by 1 rupee 50 paisa, this is equal to, I can write 35 by 15 by dividing these two, you know, 2 points, after 2 points 2 digits are there, you can cancel, right? Therefore this is 5 3s are 5 7s are 5 7s are, so therefore 7:3 is the ratio of the two pulses, should be added, should be mixed, so that we can get 16 rupees 50 paisa per kg, right? So in this way we can solve some more problems in my coming videos, right? Thank you for watching my channel. For more videos, the videos with the tough problems, so please watch my coming videos, right? Thank you.